Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update AWS Cognito user pools with new attributes. Complete guide step by step clearly. To update AWS Cognito user pools with new attributes, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Once logged in, navigate to the Cognito service. In the Cognito dashboard, find and select the user pool you wish to update. In the user pool details, locate the attributes section. Click on the Attributes tab to view the current user attributes. To add new attributes, click on the Add Custom Attribute button. Enter the name for your new attribute in the provided field. Select the appropriate data type for the new attribute from the drop-down menu. If needed, configure additional validations for the attribute. Once you have filled in all required fields, click the Save Changes button. After saving, navigate to the Users and Groups section to update existing user records. Select a user whose attributes you want to modify. In the user details, click on the Edit button. Add the new attribute value in the corresponding field. After modifying the attributes, click the Save Changes button to apply the updates. To ensure the new attribute is included in your API responses, adjust the App Client settings. Go to the App Clients tab in your user pool. Select the app client you want to configure. Scroll down to the Read Attributes section and ensure your new attribute is checked. Click Save Changes to confirm the configuration. With these steps completed, your AWS Cognito user pool is now updated with the new attributes. Test the API or user management interface to confirm the new attributes are returning as expected. This process effectively enhances your user pool with additional information tailored to your application's needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.